Then this is called cover page, title page or cover page. In the front pages, generally it will be some at least 10 pages it will come. Front pages at least 10 because list of contents. So contents means all the chapters, subdivisions you will include in the table of contents. So generally the front pages will come to 10. And here you can see it is 8 pages. In this sample, it is 8 pages. Based on your work, it may extend to 10 pages. So the first one is title or cover page. Title or cover page. You have to check whether all the batchmates full names are correct, register number is correct. The title should be maximum 1 or 2 lines. So 3 lines is less preferable. 4-5 lines title is absurd. It is meaningless. 4-5 lines title will not come. It should be maximum, it is 2 lines is sufficient. For a good look, you align it. And then all the batchmate names and register numbers correctly you check. And guide name, designation of the guide, whether assistant professor, associate professor, or professor, that also you have to check. And then this template is given in the guidelines itself. At the end of the guideline, that sample is given. You see here, there is a sample. Okay, so, and then bona fide also sample is there. Bona fide also sample, list of table of contents also sample is there, table of contents. Okay, then they have given, this is their work. So we have to change it appropriately. You can see all the page numbers are vertical, straight. Okay, all this should be followed by us also in our report book. Now, what I am telling you, what all you have to check. And this address and the logo. Logo should be the recent one. Don't put old logos. Okay, logo should be the recent followed. And then which month you are submitting. You are submitting the report in April 2022. That you have to put it here correctly. And this is bona fide. You have to bring the entire thing, the cover page to the first page. Cover page is the first page and bona fide is the second page. You do proper alignment. You just check in the sample what is the font size, what is the name. Same font size you have to use. You can see Times New Roman bold 16. Same font size if you use, only then in the book your name will be bold enough. Okay, your name will be visibly seen. And you can put the cursor in the title also. You can check what is the font followed. Again, it is Times New Roman 18 bold. Okay, and whichever not bold, same thing should be there. This is italics, italics should be there. Slant writing, italic should be there. Sample is there, but you have to check whether all these things are followed. Then you see entire cover page comes in the first page itself. Okay, up to that June 2020 first page itself. So when you do alignment, the logo, everything will come okay. This is about the first page. Second page should be bona fide. Second page should be bona fide. Okay, and here you have to check whether your guide name is correct and the designation is correct and what all is there. Designation, supervisor should be there and designation also. Whether assistant professor, associate professor, that also should be there. So in the guidelines, it is written. If you read it in the guidelines about the bona fide, supervisor should come between the supervisor name and the academic designation, means assistant professor or associate or professor. So that also should be taken care. It should be Times New Roman, font is 14, bona fide, double spacing, double spacing. So double spacing means you can select this paragraph and then go to home. Here spacing is there. Line spacing 2.0 should be given. 2.0 means double spacing. Okay, so 2.0 means double spacing. And then after this 2.0, this is double. After bona fide, so HOD name is there and guide name also should be there. You check properly in the sample and it should be followed. Times New Roman, you check whether everything is in Times New Roman, or you put the cursor somewhere in the file. Control A, it will select the entire file, convert everything to Times New Roman. Then font size, somewhere it is 13 bold, somewhere without bold, somewhere 16, 18 is there. So font size appropriately you have to change. Font is Times New Roman, that you can make it a common change by putting cursor at any point. Okay, so you have to do the proper alignment. External on the right side, internal on the left side. Examiner on the date of Viva, they will sign. Next, coming to abstract. So abstract should be one paragraph or one page. If your work is very big, one page, or maximum in PhD and all, it will go to 2-3 pages. But for you, BTech and MTech, one page is enough. 1 or 2 paragraphs. Each paragraph means again 6 to 8 sentences. And after that, acknowledgement. This is also very important. because there will be a sample given. We have to check who are the current authorities in our campus now. You have to check VC name initial is correct, then pro VC names initial, registrar names initial, and then dean engineering dean initial name, and after that HOD name, and then sometimes it will be his her those corrections should be there. If here mentors are, here mentor names are, three names are mentioned here. Sometimes all the three are ladies and her will be written, but if your mentor is male, you have to change it to his. You read the sentence and change appropriately. So generally corrections will come in his, her, that corrections will be always there. So you read it, then after that guide. Okay, after HOD, mentors, then guide. So this is the flow in the sample. Same thing you have to follow. This acknowledgement maximum complete this in one page. You see the font size. So font size appropriately 12.5 or 12, you complete that in one page. So after that, the table of contents will come. Table of contents. So in the table of contents, it is better to have a table like this. Then after finishing completely, you have to click entire thing, right click and do invisible for the table. So table properties, and entire cell or entire table, you have to make it invisible. You can select this, go to home, and here you have one option, no border. If you remove it, the table cannot be seen. You can see here table cannot be seen, but the numbers, okay, but the numbers will come straight down because table is there at the back end. If I make it visible, if I undo this, you can see here all the numbers are put either in the center or left align them, all the numbers left align, okay, or all the numbers center align within the cell, so that the numbers will come straight one below the other. But you have to, after completing everything, first you take a table, then put all these things, then at the end, after completing all the table of contents, you make the table invisible by selecting this, go to home, and then make this as invisible here. No border. No border is the option. So table becomes invisible. Okay. And the numbering should be Roman numeric 1, 2, 3 from chapter 1, and previous to that Arabic number system. Lowercase Arabic number system should be there from the cover page. So cover page should not have any number, but that is counted as 1. And the numbering should be right top. Okay. So this bottom center is not correct. This one present in the footer, header footer, in the footer, this one present, this is wrong. So for cover page should not have any numbering. Numbering should be given from the bona fide, but cover page should be considered as small 1. Small 1, how we write small 1? How we write small 1? So this is 1, I. Okay. So the previous one, this is 2. So 2 is for bona fide page, 1 is for the cover page, but no numbering for the cover page. It should be counted as 1. Then all these front pages should have such type of Arabic number system, and all those should be on the right top and in the header. In the header only we have to give right top. So I am putting in the cursor in the header, then go to insert, and then page number option is here, and top of the page, okay, top of the page, right top corner, you can give numbering like this. I will come to the bona fide and do this. I'm in the abstract page. So I'm going to bona fide. I'm going to the header. In the header, insert and the page number, top of the page, then right top, you are giving like this. Then you select here. You can see in the insert, when I am giving all this, here there is inactive. Okay, inactive cases are there, but when I select this, I will have few more options. When I select and go to header and footer. Okay, I'm selecting this number because I want Arabic number system. Okay, Arabic or Roman number system. The front pages should be Roman number small letter, and the 1, 2, 3 should be from chapter 1, which is so about numbering. It is separately given. So you can check side heading for page numbers. Abstract. So here it is not given. Here it is available. Page numbering. Page numbering in the guidelines page 2. Guidelines page 2. All page numbers, it is in Roman or Arabic. Okay. And the front pages, chapter 1 onwards, it is Arabic. And the front pages should be Roman numbers. Roman, small letter, small case Roman. So now I am going to, this is Arabic. 1, 2, 3 is Arabic. I want to change it to Roman numbers. So just I am selecting it. And then I am going to header footer. Then in the page numbers and format page numbers. Format page numbers. Here I can change what type of page numbers I want. The small 1, 2, 3. Small 1, 2, 3. And then start from 2. Start from 2. So first page is not considered. So start from 2. Okay. Then what happens? So the first page should not be considered. There is another condition for that. Start from this page, like that we have to do. Okay. So that page numbers, once again, I will come afterwards. So from the bona fide page, it should be page number 2. The cover page, if I can do one more thing like this. I can select this header footer and I will go to page number and then format page number. I will take it from 1. Okay. Okay. Then from the bona fide, it is 2. From the bona fide, it is 2. Okay. So I can make the first page with the font color white color, because page is also white color. The numbering, if I make white color, it will become invisible. That is one option. Other option, I have to start from second page onwards. There should be a page break given. I will talk about page break afterwards. This is about the page numbering. In the front pages, it is Roman number, small letters. And in the report book, you go to footer. You go to footer, keep the cursor in the footer. Okay. And then what you will do, insert page number and bottom of the page, center. Okay. And it will be Arabic number system 1, 2, 3. And this will automatically come when you give it 1. It will automatically come sequentially up to end of the book. Okay. You can see up to last page numbering is given. So this is about page numbering and some of the details on front page.